So to the extent that the Integrity Commission would have gotten, I would imagine, more than 2 complaints, but have done the initial work and have decided that whatever preliminary evidence that they have, they feel that these are 2 more cases that need a fulsome investigation is concerning. But it is still an investigation. It can result in an exoneration of the parliamentarian, and it can also mean that the parliamentarian will be put before the court. But to remind the public, even if a parliamentarian or the public official is put before the court, it's not a sign of guilt. It is just another level at which this matter needs to be examined.
When you see how they are taking on the Integrity Commission in Parliament, and they want to restrict its investigation powers, they want to restrict its prosecutorial powers, them of course the leadership of it, obviously they know something is amiss. And I say to Jamaica, don't let the Labour Party undermine that institution. Defend that institution, because we don't want a country where corruption dominates the politics of the country. The country must be able to move beyond that system of corruption that the JLP has brought on the land.
So, inside of the video, we are going to call on Andrew Holness to resign or declare his asset. Make sure say his statutory declaration can be certified. Inside of this video, we are going to call on Andrew Holness to resign unless him can tell us who are the 8 criminals that are sitting there in Parliament taking taxpayers' money and enriching themselves. We are going to call on Andrew Holness to resign. So in the comment section, I want to tell Andrew Holness say him to resign while leave a like on this video and share this video so we can spread the message across the globe and tell the people, they make them know say Andrew Holness to resign because him not fit to sit there in Parliament. Him not fit to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Him not fit to give no hard as boat. Him not fit to run this country. Him not fit to be a part of the cabinet. Him not fit to carry Jamaica forward. If a leader is under investigation, any investigation at all, much less for rob the poor, for rob poor people, for illicit enrichment, they should step aside, have like a moral and step aside until the investigation are over. And then you sabotage the Integrity Commission. That simple means say, you're not a moral neither. You are moralless. You're not a moral. You're not a integrity. But bless up to my viewers and my subscribers. So welcome back to my viewers and my subscribers. Big up to all of my viewers. Big up to all of my subscribers. We continually support the channel and help the channel to grow. Now, remember to leave a like on this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're a new viewers first time on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so whenever we drop new content, you will be first to be notified. Share the content with a friend, a family, a loved one. Share it on your social media platform. Now, my viewers and my subscribers, Andrew Holness, we are calling on you to resign with immediate effects. You cannot be trusted. And people, if you don't want to see this man resign, then like up the video, share up the video, make we spread the message all over the world and call on this man to resign. If you don't want to see this man resign, leave it down below in the comment section. Let him know to resign. Now, Andrew Holness is a man without integrity. Him not have no integrity. And him need to give somebody else with integrity. Somebody who we can trust the country to move it forward. We can't wait for another year before we can decide if this man should step aside. Because the longer we wait, and the more the country are mash up, and the more debts we are going, and the more we life are go to jeopardy. So the quicker this man can come out of power, out of office, leave the Jamaican people them alone, it is much better for us. I'm not saying no one no want to hear me call on the Prime Minister to resign, but he need to resign. That is the right thing for him to do. resign. Resign. While you can, just resign. Leave us alone. And we never vote for you. So the best thing for you to do, leave we alone. Alright, if you want to be a government, go and be a government to the people that will vote for you, not Jamaica, because you're not fit for run Jamaica, to be honest with you. And Holness, if you cannot name the 6th criminal, which is it is now 8 criminal, how do you want to run this country? Who are the illicit 8? Now, Nationwide come out and another paper, which is credible, come out after them here say there is no illicit 6, them no understanding, where the Integrity Commissioner say, but yet still, them run with the argument, say there is no illicit 6, there is just 2 people under investigation, and them no know who. Now, why would they spread that misinformation, but the government no have nothing to say about it? Why would they spread that misinformation, but yet still, the government will not address that situation? But, him quick to jump down on the youths them whenever them talk about the crap where I'm going with. Talk about Nationwide and the other people them will come out and say there is no illicit 6. It is no illicit 2. It is not illicit 2. It is illicit 8. And the 8 of them that are illicit 8, they are from the Jamaican Lion Party. Remember, Mark going in the investigation, so we will know very soon if the other 2 is a part of Mark Golden camp. But for now, we want to hear about the illicit 6. The 6th criminal, where they did for over a year now, where you're supposed to tell you who them, but you hide it. Then if you couldn't tell me who the 6th criminal, how you don't tell me who are the 8th criminal now? I want you to at least explain to we, the Jamaican people. That's why I say you need to resign. You need to resign. Your wife as a Speaker of the House need to resign as well. And I know so you get up in your feeling when people say that. I know you get up in your feelings and you get under your skin whenever people say your wife should resign as Speaker of the House. But you need to resign as a Prime Minister. You don't deserve to be a Prime Minister. Andrew Holness, why can't the Integrity Commission declare your asset? Cannot certify your statutory declaration for the past 3 years, but yet still you're full of mouth elsewhere. Why? Now, Mr. You can't check people say make sure your food price not go up. Make sure you not raise up your food them. But yet still, you not tell JPS not raise up your light bill pan because you know on a plan. You know so on a plan is for the black man and the black woman, the poor people them, to pay back JPS for the damages that happened during the hurricane. JPS is a private company. We have robbed Jamaican people over the years. JPS is a private company, not a government company, but a private company. We keep on a robbery. They keep on a robbery. But yet still, Andrew Holness, you are allow them to rob with more. Right? You are allow the JPS them to rob with more. Look how we bills them can come big. Look on JPS bill. Look on Water Commission bill. Why we have to fix up back them line, fix up back them pipe, fix up back this, fix up back that. Why do Jamaican people have to face that burden? Why taxpayers have to always face the burden? SSL money missing. SSL money missing. And when you check it out, you raise it, the ticket price them, and the taxi man them and the car man them, sky high. And you put all kind of law and regulation in place to make sure so you make back that money. And in a 1 week, you make $38 million off of taxpayers. $38 million off of just ticket alone. And that's how much years now. Every time something happen in Jamaica, food price gone up, everything gone up. And then guess what? I know we are do it. Who know the bigger heads them are do it. Me don't know who realize, but after the SSL saga, Me no know if you no realize the Prime Minister put out this big old list where pressure taxi man and talk about say him a try to prevent accident. You can't prevent accident because ticket cannot stop people from drive fast. Because even though you raise up a ticket, more accident happen than what used to happen before. Because if a man have your rush during the day or during the night, if you make sure say you can make one money, if you pay back that the ticket there and pay him boss, you know feel say you have to drive harder. You know feel say him have to drive harder. But because when you talk, these people now listen because them can't even read between the lines. Them not understand what you say. And that's why you come all the while and you try to trick the black man and the black woman and take with a fool. And Holness, we tired of you now. We tired, we fed up. Time come for a change. Time come for a change. We have to pay back SSL out of our pocket. And we never take none of SSL money. There are so many things where we have to pay back out of our pocket. We have to pay back Vibes Cartel out of our pocket. And we never put Vibes Cartel in prison. I know we have Vibes Cartel run up and in a court. And yes, still a push to care about this case got court. We don't have to pay millions of dollars again to lawyers, courthouse, current, and all of that. We still push it because we realize poor people have no sense. We take with the idiot. We take poor people for idiot. And enough is enough. You need to resign now. You need to step aside. You need to step down. Make somebody else who can angle the country, who have little sympathy for people run the country. You don't have no sympathy for poor people. You don't have no love in your heart for it. You hate we like a poison. But you love poor, you hate poor people. But you hate poverty. You hate we. You not like we. For some reason, you have something against Jamaican people because you don't like the Jamaican people. And I don't know when them clown there, the big old baboon them, we're in the green, I go come to realization and start looking into things. The way how we look into things. And see say, you is not a good person. And you know me Jamaican people not good. You don't want nobody talk about you. When people talk about you, you send police to take them out under them bed. But yet still, innocent people are die every day from the hands of criminal. And you not send police to find those people who do it. You not do it. But you can send go find the innocent man. Innocent people are go out, they go hustle. The man are go out, they go run in taxi to make a living. And you take set upon them. The ticket them when you put up. People can't hardly pay for them ticket there. But yet still, you love the poor. The man can't even go in the market go sell in peace. We can't even park no way. Because every park where we park, then clamp we. We have to pay money. Everything is money. Yesterday, I got a market yesterday. And the condition of the market, the market stink. The market dirty. The market full of some big old pothole. No cover, no the pan top of the market. A chapalin. Uno did put pan top of the market. No cover at all. No the pan. Because the chapalin rotten out now. So there is no cover on top of the market. Or yet still, we not collect money if you go in the market. Yet still, if somebody a drive through the market, that's a $200. And not to mention if you go park in the market, it costs more. The people them with the vendor in the market, they have to pay money. They have to pay over 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 if you just find like a spot. But yet still, there's no cool shade. There's nowhere to block the sun. And you call yourself a leader and say your administration love poor people. Which part of you love poor people? You hate the poor so bad that you don't want to get rid of us. And Holness, may I tell you again, time come. Time come for your change. Time come for your resign. Time come for your step away. Time come for your step down. Time come for you come out of office, come out of parliament. Get your yard, go sit down now, man. Your claw must full now. You don't like the truth, but the truth is the truth. We're tired of you. We're fed up. We are suffer under your government. Are the worst we ever see Jamaica in our history. If it did worse in the back in the days, we don't know. But are the worst we ever see Jamaica in our history and under your government. And every time when Jamaican fall, you make labor right make Jamaican fall. Uno is a wicked set of people. Resign. We're tired of you. Step aside. We're tired of you. Resign now.